Assalamu alaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hello, how are you? How's it going? I am good, and you? I'm Amin, and welcome to Learn Arabic with Amin. Welcome to Levantine or Shami dialect sentences. Today we will learn Shami or Levantine dialect through sentences. I will give you some sentences and I will explain it to you one by one. Before we start, don't forget to subscribe and check all the playlists and all the dialects because I have all the dialects in my channel. So now, let's start. These are our sentences for today. Our first sentence is روح البس ثيابك. روح البس ثيابك. It means go get dressed. For male. روح it means go. For male. البس it's an order tense means wear. ثياب is clothes. ثيابك your clothes. So it's, if I want to translate it literally, it will be go and wear your clothes. But the general meaning of it, go get dressed. روح البس ثيابك. Go get dressed. Our next sentence is أحضر لك فطور. أحضر لك فطور. أحضر means I make. أحضر لك I make for you. فطور is breakfast. So أحضر لك فطور means shall I make you breakfast? أحضر لك فطور. Shall I make you breakfast? Next sentence is لا ما بدي افطر. لا ما بدي افطر. لا is no, ما is not, بدي I want, افطر I eat breakfast. But together means no, I don't want to eat breakfast. لا ما بدي افطر. No, I don't want to eat breakfast. Next sentence is شو أطبخ لك اليوم. شو أطبخ لك اليوم. شو means what. أطبخ لك I cook for you. أطبخ I cook. أطبخ لك I cook for you. اليوم is today. اليوم today. شو أطبخ لك اليوم means what can I cook for you today. شو أطبخ لك اليوم it means what can I cook for you today. اطبخي لي رز مع دجاج. This is our next sentence. اطبخي لي رز مع دجاج. رز it means rice. مع with. دجاج chicken. اطبخي لي when you are talking to a female, you cook for me. اطبخي لي you cook for me when you are talking to a female. So اطبخي لي رز مع دجاج means cook rice with chicken for me. اطبخي لي رز مع دجاج cook rice with chicken for me. Next sentence is شلونك. شلونك. شلونك means how are you. To a male. To a female شلونك. To a group شلونكو or شلونكم. How are you. Next one شو أخبارك. شو أخبارك. شو أخبارك here this means how are you, but I want to take the literal meaning of it. Literal meaning of it is what are your news. What are your news. شو أخبارك when you are asking male. For female شو أخبارك. What are your news. To a group شو أخباركو or شو أخباركم. What are your news. Next sentence is بقيان عندك خبز. بقيان عندك خبز. بقيان it means remaining or left. بقيان. And as you can see the qaf we spell it a in Levantine or Shami dialect. بقيان means left or remain. عندك like in your place, عندك in your place or near you in your place. خبز is bread. بقيان عندك خبز means do you have bread left. بقيان عندك خبز, do you have bread left or do you have is there any bread remain. Okay, next sentence is لا والله ما عندي خبز. لا والله ما عندي خبز. لا no والله. What is والله? والله it means I swear to God. I swear to God. I swear to God. والله والله I swear to God. Okay. لا والله ما عندي خبز. لا is no. والله I swear to God. ما is not. عندي I have a bread خبز. Together لا والله ما عندي خبز means no I don't have bread, or no I swear to God I don't have bread. Next sentence is شو رأيك فيني. شو رأيك فيني. شو what. رأيك your opinion when you are talking to a male. Your opinion رأيك. فيني of me. Of me. شو رأيك فيني. This question to a male. What do you think of me? What if we want to ask the same question to a female? It will be شو رأيك فيني. To a group شو رأيكو or شو رأيكم فيني. Last sentence of today is أنت إنسان منيح. أنت you for male, so the listener is male. أنت you for male. إنسان human being. منيح it means good in Levantine dialect. أنت إنسان منيح means you are a good human being. أنت إنسان منيح you are a good human being. So these are our sentences for today. I hope that you enjoyed them and you learned new things. Don't forget to subscribe, comment, like and follow my Facebook page, and also you can donate and support me if you want. You can find all the links in the description. So see you in the next video, next dialect and next lesson. Salam, peace.